explain construction of cross blast air circuit breaker with a figure. So a cross blast air circuit breaker is a type of air blast circuit breaker in which the compressed air is directed across the arc path, that is the perpendicular to the axis of the arc flow. So arc is in this direction, if suppose, then the flow or the pressurized air is flowing in the direction which is perpendicular or the right angle to the main arc axis to extinguish it. Now the breaker consists of fixed and moving contacts placed coaxially inside the insulating chamber. They made up of copper or copper alloy for high conductivity and good arc resistance. You can visualize this. These are fixed contacts. These two are fixed contacts and these are the moving contacts which are moving like this. So this plate, you can visualize this fixed contact and moving contact. So when they are separating like this, then the arc is struck in between. The contacts and nozzle are enclosed within the arc chamber made up of porcelain, bakelite or epoxy resin or insulating material which confines and quenches the arc or air blast. A ceramic or glass fiber reinforced plastic nozzle directs the compressed air across the arc path, that is right angles to the main arc, to blow out the ionized gases. It is heat resistant and insulating type material. Now air reservoir is a steel tank where compressed air is stored at a high pressure, typically about 20 to 30 bar. Air valve and piping system made up of stainless steel or a brass material which is corrosion resistant and suitable for high pressure air system. It controls the flow of the compressed air to the arc chamber during the operation. Now operating mechanism made of steel frame and mechanical linkages consist of a pneumatic or spring operated mechanism system that drives the moving contact and operates the air valve simultaneously. The arc splitters are provided. These are the set of the baffle plates. These baffle plates are made up of metallic plates arranged close to each other in the region where the arc is confined or arc is struck in between. It is made up of steel or copper and are electrically insulated from each other. Baffle plates are important component used in the air circuit breaker to help in arc control, cooling and extinction of the arc. These baffle plates are thin metal or insulating plates arranged in series inside the arc chamber. You can visualize this. This is the arc chamber and these baffle plates are arranged in the arc chamber. They are positioned such that the arc or hot gases strike or pass between them as it is driven by the air blast or magnetic force. You can visualize this. This air blast from the downward direction forces the arc flow towards the upward direction and they passes through the baffle plates. So the number of baffle plates and the arrangement depend on the breaker rating and the type of the breakers, whether it is air type or oil type. So this is the basic construction details of cross blast air circuit breaker.